Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to limit access to the Safari browser for our children, or block any website you don't like, or anyone else. Maybe you get obscene sites or casinos, and you want to restrict them. How do you do that? To do this, go into our iPhone settings. Now go a little lower and press the item Screen Time. Turn on this function. Click here. Wait a couple of seconds. Now we need to select the item Content and Privacy Restrictions. Click here. Now here we turn on a checkbox, and here we look for a special item. Click here, Content Restrictions. Click here, and then go down here, and then we click on Web Content, and that's where we choose the restriction that we want. And then we click on this one. And now when we search for something obscene in our browser, it won't show up. Also here you can add any site that you want to block. As you can see, this is a very easy and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.